Today I will show you how to easily remove and reattach the AirPod cushions on JBL Quantum 100 gaming headphones. This can be helpful if you want to clean your headphones or replace old AirPods with the new replacement pods. The link to the new AirPod cushions is in the video description. To remove the AirPods you will need a butter knife. Gently insert it under the base of the AirPod and carefully pry to the pod of the headphone frame. The AirPods are held to the headphone base by a few plastic hooks. To put back the pods, make sure you pick the correct one. The left side is for the side with the cable. Next, center the AirPods on the hooks and press them until they snap into place. Repeat the same process for the other side, and you are done. If you have any questions, feel free to write them in the comments below this video. But now, happy holidays!